My colleague Pavit is now joining us from Mohali with the latest details on the farmers' protest. Pavit, please give us the latest details and what are the inconvenience that are being caused to the residents and the locals because of this protest? Pavit, can you hear us? All right, we'll try to re-establish that connection with my
job ban since
Pavit, please go ahead. Give us details on the farmers' protest.
Yes, so today the Punjab Bandh has been called by the farmer unions in support of the Jagjit Singh Dhaliwal, the farmer leader who has been sitting on a hunger strike from past 35 days. So right now I'm present at the Mohali Airport Road, and behind me in the visuals you can see that the protest, the Punjab Bandh, has already started at 7 a.m. and it is going to last till 4 p.m. today. So the daily life has started getting affected, as you can see in the visuals that no private vehicle is being allowed to move across the state. Right now if we talk about Mohali, so all these barricading have been placed so that no movement of the private vehicles could take place. So people are forced to walk down by their own, and they are not allowed to use any vehicle. So today the milk supply is getting affected, the fruits, the vegetables. So the chakka jam on the roads and railway lines has already started. Above you can see that the farmers have already also blocked the railways here. So around 150 trains have been cancelled in Punjab due to this Punjab Bandh. So you can see that this Punjab Bandh call was taken last week by the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha non-political and Kisan Mazdoor Morcha, where Swan Singh Pandey, who happens to be the coordinator of the both forums, said that the traders, transporter unions, the labourers, the sarpans, the teacher unions all have lent their support to the Bandh, and right now also the Bandh is going on, and we can see that the public life is getting affected because many people were not allowed to go to other states just because of this Punjab Bandh call. So right now also you can see, but the Bandh has also stated that during the Bandh the medical services, like if someone has to go for a medical treatment or is travelling to the airport, that will not be affected. So right now also the Bandh that is taking place, it's going to observe from 7 a.m. till 4 p.m. However, emergency services will remain optional, and if someone has to catch the flight or something, the people will be allowed. So the vehicular movement has been hampered, and even people are facing a lot of problems today just because of this Punjab Bandh.
All right.
And if we talk about the other states as well, the buses from the stations are not allowed to move. So all together we can put like this, that the daily life of the people is getting affected due to this Punjab Bandh today.
Right. Pavit, thank you for getting us all those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on this.